good late evening. Welcome back in another video. And I am proving I am try to become a consistent. So I am here again. Today is 21st March, and I am recording this video for me to improve my communication skill. And I hope you will observe that my communication is increasing day by day. So starting from very first morning, I wake up around 7:30, not 7:30, because of alarm. I wake for instant 7:30, on 7:30. Then I sleep again, and then because of Ritik I woke up around 8:20, and then immediately go for fresh bath and respective things. And after that I came to my room and try to practice yoga, but I don't have time. So immediately go for the breakfast. In breakfast today we have bread, butter and dalia. And after that I spread my clothes and prepare for lab. We have a lab for first and second period, and we don't allowed to go late because it's ma'am. This lab taken by ma'am, and he is very strict. She is very strict. So we have to go early. So I ready around 8 9:20 a.m. and then immediately go along with Ritik and Sanjeev in lab. And after that we take lab, and then I thought let's utilize time of third and fourth period. So I decided to go library where I take next signal lecture and successfully done. Few minutes remain, but most of the part of signal lecture completed in library. And I came alone around hostel around 1:30 p.m. Then immediately go for lunch, and immediately we have a next class schedule of electromagnetism antenna. But unluckily we got late because of our laziness. Not laziness, I don't have time. As already I tell you, I came to hostel around 1:30 p.m. and then immediately go for lunch. As you know, in lunch we try to take a heavy lunch, try to eat more as more possible to become some fat, to gain some fat as our parent want. But okay, so uh, I mean lunch also take 5 to 10 minutes, more than 10 minutes. So because of that, and because of Ritik and Sanjeev laziness, we got unluckily late. So sir came to our class and says only few students are in class, as Holi is this is a post Holi week. So few students are not came from their home. They are still celebrating Holi, and they are in home. So because of that, and because of our laziness, sir said in classroom that there are no much students. So we decided to not take class and take attendance of only those students which are present there at that time. So in midway we met with Tanmay, who told us all of these things that are already gone, and he had already taken our attendance, and he has strictly said that he not going to take now more attendance of latecomers students. So you return to hostel along with me. But I and Ritik and you decided let's go and try one time, at least one time, and make request to our sir that we are coming from hostel after eating lunch, and we are putting so many hard work and effort to take that class. We late only 15 minutes. So we go there in Kevin, and we met a few more students already present. Those are the day scholars and girls, and because of that, we have also got privilege to say our roll number and sir put our attendance. So this is a whole story of electromagnetism antenna. Uh, Attendance story only. We got attendance and we successfully done. We completed our class successfully. So after that, then we came to our hostel and I rest and then start revised, not revised. Then start taking lecture and all, and then dinner time, snack time, and all. And after that, talk to parent. Then I start taking lecture and then see one video of Harsh Rajput and then one blog, and before recording this video I start taking lecture of network and I completed 30 minutes. I already planned next 10 days for gate preparation and put it in front of my eye on wall so that I able to achieve this 10-day goal. And I have only this goal and I try to achieve, and I will 100% achieve this. One more thing I want to tell you that today I ordered apple along with chana sattu from Zepto and it cost me around 203 because of discounts and super saver and all. So I am on also on healthy way, and tomorrow I try to practice yoga as well. So these are the things. Tomorrow is Saturday, so meet you tomorrow again with completed goal of first day challenge of 10-day challenge of first day. How I will say this? I have taken 10-day challenge and first day is from tomorrow. So hopefully I will achieve first day. Okay. So I will meet you tomorrow again. I'm signing up. Good night. Bye.